Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Playing white noise all night can be beneficial for some, as it masks disruptive sounds, promoting a more restful sleep. However, it's important to keep the volume moderate to avoid potential hearing issues. If you find it helpful, use it, but pay attention to any changes in sleep quality or hearing.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.